How to build a raised vegetable bed by digthedirt.com. For one 4-foot by 4-foot vegetable bed, you'll need two 2x10 by 8-foot untreated cedar planks. You'll need a level, tape measure, and a pencil, as well as a drill, exterior screws, and a carpenter square. Make sure that your screws are exterior screws. Any type of head will do. Make sure your edges are square, and then measure from one end of the board to the middle of the board, 4 feet, and mark with your pencil clearly. Using your carpenter square, trace a straight line across the board. Brace your board down, and then using your skill saw, cut all the way through in a clean line. Be very careful when doing this. Measure your other board and make sure that there's no remaining excess. If there is, cut it off at the ends. Lay your 4-foot planks down on the ground to make sure you have enough space. Measure 3/4 of an inch from the edge, and this is where you're going to pre-drill your holes, in the top and in the middle and on the bottom edge of your board. Pre-drilling your holes is very important. This makes sure that the wood does not split. Place the edges of the boards together. It's good to have someone help you do this and brace it for you. And screw in your screws in the top and in the middle and in the bottom. Place your box in your spot. You're going to grab a tool and start tracing around the inside edge of the box. The back of a hammer will do, or any kind of sharp tool. Trace it all the way around. Pick up the box, and that's where you're going to start digging. Start digging. You're going to dig about 1 foot down. If you need to, you can use a pickaxe to try and break up the soil a little bit, and then dig a little bit more. Use the back of your shovel to even out the soil before you place your box back on top. Make sure to pick out all the weeds and roots. Lay your box back on top, and then fill it in around the edges with soil to even it out and make it level with the ground. This is where you can use your level. Lay soil all around the edge of the bed and then tamp it down with your foot. Get your kids involved and make this a family project. And there are your beautiful new vegetable beds for the spring. For more tips, watch our video, Tips on Building Raised Vegetable Beds, at digthedirt.com.